Standard 5, Unit 3, Grammar, Subject and Predicate. Good morning, students. Today we will learn Standard 5, Unit 3, Subject and Predicate. We have already learned Unit 1 and 2. First is sentence, then types of sentences. Sentence के कितने types है? 4 types. Now we will learn subject and predicate. Means every sentence has 2 parts. Sentences है but उसके कितने parts है? 2 parts. Okay. See here. 1. It talks about some person or thing. So sentence talks about some person or thing. And second, it says something about that person or thing. Okay. So in the sentence, the cows are grazing in the field. Okay. One sentence is here, the cows are grazing in the field. Now see, we talk about the cows. What we talk about? The cows. Okay. And we say about them that they are grazing in the field. In second, we say something about the cows, they are grazing in the field. So the person or thing we speak about is called the subject. What is the definition of subject? The person or thing we speak about is called the subject. Now what is said about the subject is called the predicate. So subject person और thing है, okay? और उसके बारे में जो बोला गया है उसे predicate बोलेंगे, okay? So what is said about the subject is called the predicate. So what is the meaning of subject and predicate? First one is written. We speak something about is subject, second is predicate. Now examine the subject and the predicate in each of the following sentences. Okay, नीचे sentence दिए गए हैं. We will see what is subject and predicates. Number 1, you see Aman helped the blind man. Okay, so what is the subject here? Aman. We talk about Aman. अमन कुछ कर रहा है. ओके ना प्रेडिकेट इज व्हाट? हेल्प द ब्लाइंड मैन. सो वी सेड समथिंग अबाउट अमन. अमन क्या कर रहा है? हेल्प द ब्लाइंड मैन. उसने ब्लाइंड मैन को मदद की. ओके सो व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट? अमन. एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज प्रेडिकेट. नाउ सी हियर द लिटिल गर्ल इज मोपिंग द फ्लोर. छोटी लड़की फ्लोर पे पोछा लगा रही है. ओके नाउ व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट हियर? द लिटिल गर्ल. व्हाट शी इज डूइंग? What is he doing? He is mopping the floor is predicate. Number 3, birds fly. Now what is the subject here? Birds. On fly is predicate. Number 4, the dog barked at the stranger. So we talk about the dog. Dog के बारे में बोला गया है. So dog is subject. And what the dogs are doing? Dog क्या कर रहे हैं? That is predicate. So dog क्या कर रहे हैं? Barked at the stranger. So dog ने stranger को bark किया. Okay, that was the predicate. So we see that the subject and the predicate may each consist of single word or a number of words. So subject and predicate किससे बने होते हैं? सिंगल वर्ड भी हो सकता है और नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स भी हो सकता है. ओके नाउ सी exercise 1. Here are sentences which have been divided into 2 parts and the parts have been mixed up. Okay, so यहाँ पे 2 parts है, उसमें sentences लिखा है. Now what you have to do? Fit the right parts together to make sensible sentence. So 2 part को एक करना है और उसमें से एक sentence बनाना है. Okay, the first one has been done for you. See here, first one is here. I have already written all the answer but you will do yourself. Okay, flowers bloom in the garden. So flowers bloom in the garden means flowers कहाँ पे है? garden में है. Okay, a policeman. Then from here you can find policeman wears a helmet. Okay, hens then lay eggs. Okay, an aeroplane. Aeroplane कहाँ पे होता है? Flies in the sky. Okay, so join the sentence. Trains. Trains कहाँ पे रन करती है? Run on rails. Okay, peas grow in pots. The Ganga is a holy river. गंगा कैसी river है? Holy river. So mix the 2 sentences. Okay, butter is made from cream. So बटर क्रीम से बनाया जाता है. The moon shines at night. So मून रात को शाइन करता है. Ships sail on the sea. Okay, so this way you have to join the sentence, write in the textbook and notebook. Okay, sometimes the subject is understood और लेफ्ट आउट. ओके, कभी कभी कोई सेंटेंस होता है उसमें अब सब्जेक्ट तो हम समझ जाते हैं. टीचर बोलते हैं कम इन, सो आपको टीचर लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. ओके, यू अंडरस्टैंड द टीचर टोल्ड. ओके, इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस द सब्जेक्ट यू इज़ लेफ्ट आउट. सो यहाँ पे देखो कम इन रियली मीन्स यू कम इन. सो टीचर ने बोला यू कम इन, बट यू इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू राइट. आपको यू लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो यू सेड कम इन. ओके, sit down means you sit down. Okay, so sometimes there will not be subject also, you have to understand yourself. Okay, exercise 2, divide each of the following sentences into subject and predicate. now यहाँ पे 10 सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं, आपको सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट डिवाइड करना है. ओके, नाउ यू ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. ओके, so I will read out first. The earth moves round the sun. So what is the subject here? The earth. So underline the earth moves round the sun is predicate. Okay. Number 2, the sheep are grazing in the field. So what is the subject here? The sheep. Underline it and write are grazing in the field is predicate. Number 3, Gandhiji was respected by all his countrymen. So what is the subject here? Gandhiji. And predicate was respected by all his countrymen. Number 4, the village schoolmaster taught in his little school. Okay, so what is the subject here? Not village. Village schoolmaster. Okay, is subject. Taught in his little school is predicate. So you always see from the verb you separate the part of the sentence. Okay, number 5, breakfast is the first meal of the day. So breakfast is subject, is the first meal of the day is predicate. The mother of these children is a doctor. So what did you say? What is the subject? Not the mother. The mother of these children you can write. Okay, is a doctor is predicate. Number 7, Tom always does his lessons well. Tom always does his lessons well. Who is the subject? Tom is the person. Okay, and what he is doing? Always does his lessons well. वो अपना होमवर्क अच्छे से करता है is predicate. Okay. Number 8, the elephant has a long trunk. So elephant की trunk long है. Who is the subject here? Who is the person? The elephant we are talking about. And has a long trunk is predicate. So underline this separately. This also predicate. So write subject, predicate. Number 9, the poor little boys. Sums are all wrong. So here the person is the poor little boy. Okay. And what is the predicate? Sums are all wrong. Number 10, the man standing in the corner is a policeman. So we are talking about the man. Okay, and standing in the corner is a policeman. Okay, so he is a policeman. The second part is predicate.